Now let's take a look at the measurements. If I want to take a quick, let's say I want to just take a quick measurement, I can hit caliper. Down here it's going to show the result. I hold here, move my cursor to where I want it, and I have a blue one, and I'm just going to click and drag. And I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's a blue line here, and it's showing my distance here. I'm clicking and dragging this caliper around to get my measurement. Notice I can click away from it so I can see it better. If I hit switch, it will highlight the other yellow. And I can take that and swing it around. Again, I do not have to click on the yellow. This allows me to click and drag it and see exactly where it's going to be positioned. Click on the arrows under caliper. I can also get an ellipse or a trace. The trace, I can drag my finger all the way around, and when I let go, it's going to draw a straight line. Down here, it will give me the circumference and area. If I want to get an ellipse, click and drag. I have my blue markers and my yellow. I can hit switch and I can change this one here. Switch again and these become active and I can change that. When I'm done with that measurement, I click done and it will save it right there. Now the same thing goes here. If I want to delete that measurement, I have to be into the measurement screen and click on the trash can. Same thing applies as annotations. If you click and hold it for a long time, it'll delete all measurements. Now if I want to use the calculation package, I'm going to hit Measure. And this will ask me what I want to choose. I have the two arrows along which show that there are submenus beneath there, how I want to measure various items. I would take this measurement, say I want a 2-axis volume. I'm going to click here. Hit switch, works the very same way. Hit switch again. And I can get my volume measurement there. And I click done. And this will show normal 2-axis volume measurement, which will show up on my report. I can click back. That remains on the screen. Press and hold delete. It'll move that off the screen.